Texas and Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north central Texas until 9:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Lindsay, or 8 miles southwest of Gainesville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Munster, Lindsay, Callisburg, Lake Kyle, and Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 483 and 503. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.